So I wanted to exaggerate my bow shaped lips on the top. So this matte to liquid blue lipstick, it feels very exciting. And to make sure that you don't have on too much lipstick, you can always go like this with your finger, and any extra lipstick comes off on your finger like that. See, there's a little extra. So yeah, a little extra lipstick that's coming off. And I like to put a little bit of highlight above my boat tip. So I get the smallest makeup brush that I have. So you can use the smallest makeup brush that you can get your hands on. So right there above my bow tip, I apply a little bit of highlight. It just makes my bow shape look more obvious. And so lastly, I'm going to put on the lashes. So let me show you. So I want to put on, let me see, which ones do I feel like wearing? Miss Glam. So Miss Glam, I'm gonna put these on. And you can find the Miss Glam lashes at elisepink.com. And I use the Marry Your Lashes glue. The Marry Your Lashes glue, it's clear, it goes on clear, and it dries clear. And I call it Marry Your Lashes Glue because you are putting the lashes and that glue right together to fit so perfectly in place. So and the Marry Your Lashes glue, it is decorated with rhinestones, as you can see, because I love to decorate my vanity with rhinestones. I love to decorate my mirror with rhinestones. I like to decorate my tables, my vanity table, and also I like to decorate my bookcases with rhinestones. So I definitely like to decorate my furniture with rhinestones. And rhinestones is a vibe. Like, rhinestones make you feel fancy, make you look fancy. You look super good with rhinestones. Rhinestones, they take something that's very ordinary and boring and make it super glamorous. So I hope you can see I'm putting the liquid glue on the lashes right now. And so I super love decorating things with rhinestones. And so I like to hand decorate furniture, like especially tables. Like, tables are easy to decorate with rhinestones, and then I like to decorate my dresser with rhinestones. So rhinestones make me feel happy. Rhinestones, they make me feel good about myself. Like, I love glitter. Glitter makes me feel happy. Like, glitter and rhinestones and pearls elevates your mood. It's just a whole nother vibe. So either you like it or you understand it or you don't. So and as you can see, I wear like this rhinestone in my hair. So I definitely love to wear rhinestones. And right now I'm going to put on my rhinestone snake earrings. I super love these earrings. I super love these. So in the comments, you can tell me what you think about these earrings. I super love them. Like, the earring is shaped like a snake and it has rhinestones on it, and it has like the black rhinestones that represent the snake eyes. So yeah, I super love these earrings. Yeah, this is definitely my style. If you love rhinestone earrings, like, these earrings are just for you. And then if you really like snakes, then these earrings are a good match for your style. It's all about expressing your style, feeling good, looking good. So definitely tell me what you think of the rhinestone earrings. Like, oh my gosh, I super love these rhinestone earrings. I wish that I could go to sleep wearing these snake earrings, but I can't sleep in them. I mean, the thing would just, like, you know, I guess like the earring part, whatever, it would just like poke me. You really can't sleep in these. And they're not heavy. They're very lightweight. So they're very lightweight. and they feel very comfortable. So, and I love the way they glisten in the lights. I love the way that the light reflects off of the rhinestones. Like, oh my gosh, yes. Yeah. So, yeah, but I super love these earrings. And so I'm wearing the Miss Glam lashes. So I'm gonna put these babies on. This is just time to put them on. It's about that time. And I hope you can see really good as I put these on. So when you put on your lashes, it's okay to leave your eye open, and you can kind of look downward at your mirror. If you have a magnifying mirror, I use my magnifying mirror. I think this mirror is a 10 times magnifying mirror, because I like to see all the details of what I'm doing. I'm such a perfectionist. But yeah. And I'm just pressing the lash against my lash line, making sure there are no gaps. And so these lashes are fluffy. They are a little thick, not too thick, but just a little thick. Miss Glam is the name of the style. And the Miss Glam lashes are lightweight. They are a little thick and fluffy. And you can definitely wear these, you know, to the office, on a Zoom phone call. You can wear them when you're going to the grocery store. You can wear them before you leave the house to go take care of some business. Wear them to work. Wear them to school. So the Miss Glam lashes definitely give you this pretty girl vibe, like this fancy pretty girl vibe. So Miss Glam is the name of this style. And you can get the Miss Glam lashes at ElisePink.com. So definitely tell me what you think of the Miss Glam lashes. Once you try them for yourself, tell me how you like them. They're very easy to wear, and these lashes, you can wash them, and after you wash them and let them air dry, all of the lash hairs stay attached to the lash band. And so that's what I really love about this style. That's what I like so much about the quality. Yeah, so that's the lashes, Miss Glam. And so the Miss Glam lashes, they really last you for like more than a month. You can seriously wear the Miss Glam lashes every day, every week for 3 months straight. Like, that's how good the quality is for being able to last that long. So, and then if you're able to maintain your lashes by cleaning them to last even longer than that, then go right ahead. But when you clean your lashes really good, you just have to get the lash glue and eyeshadow off your lashes, and that keeps your lashes like really lasting. super long time. So definitely tell me, what do you think about this look? I couldn't resist. I just had to put on that Blue Moon liquid lipstick. Like I said, the Blue Moon, it was available last summer. This summer, I might not bring it back for the online shop at elisepink.com, but you can definitely get the Marry Your Lashes glue, and you can definitely get the Miss Glam lashes and some eyeshadow on there. So thank you so much, beauties, for watching, and thank you so much for your comments and sharing your opinions. I definitely do want to know what y'all think, but this glitter, like, oh my gosh, I super love this color combination. Oh my gosh, I can't talk, but yeah, I super love that clean cut diagonal line. Like I said, we use that makeup tape, and makeup tape it, yeah, helps your eyeshadow design to look super gorgeous, super amazing. And that glitter glue, it keeps all that glitter in the same spot. So go try the glitter glue at elisepink.com. And yeah, I definitely want to do more looks for you guys. Let me know what look you would like to see next, what type of eyeshadow style you would like to see next. Definitely let me know. Thank you for spending time with me. Also check out the Glitter and Glamour podcast. Yes, check out the Glitter and Glamour podcast. The Glitter and Glamour podcast, the purpose is to empower women and to boost your self-esteem, boost your self-love, boost your self-confidence, and boost your self-acceptance, and to also educate you on the history of makeup. There are some episodes talking about